Hello, I'm going to introduce you to one of my favorite features on the BChip, which we just added, and that is backing up a protected copy of the mnemonic seed phrase. Let me go ahead and insert the BChip into the reader real quick. All right, so when you come into the drop down, there is an option for mnemonic phrase. In here, I'm going to say like this is seed one. I'm going to put a passphrase to encrypt it. And if you'll notice here, I'm using a BIP39 mnemonic seed phrase generator that I'm going with a full 24 word one. I'm going to paste it into there and submit. All right, so now the mnemonic seed is on there. I can hit decrypt to verify. And now I compare the two. You'll see that they are identical. Awesome. And that's it. It's ready to go. So you'll see if I unplug the card, plug it back in, you'll see it, and I have to hit decrypt to view it, and then I can erase the card if I want to save something else to it. And that's it. Thanks, everyone.